Reboot by Nominet provides the framework for you to refurbish and rehome unused phones, laptops and tablets, putting them in the hands of those in your community who need them most. Join hundreds of other schools, businesses and community groups who are unearthing thousands of unused devices from homes and offices across the UK. And help those who are isolated or digitally excluded stay connected. So, how can you set up your own Reboot project? Firstly, you'll need to tell us a bit about yourself and who you'd like to donate devices to. Then your free guide will show you step by step how to set up your own redistribution project. It's all based on our tried and tested methodology that has closed the digital divide for thousands of people. Once your project is up and running, you can begin collecting, restoring and rehoming devices. And the best bit, the Reboot community will be right by your side if you need advice along the way. Unlock the potential of unused devices to give their new owners a brighter future. Together, we can make a difference. Download your free guide today and join Reboot.